Hey guys, this is this little tiny lock. Let's go. It's integral millimeters, 20 millimeters tall, 15 wide, or for those of us in uncivilized countries, about a half an inch wide by 3/4 tall, something like that. Little tiny lock. Jeff had no idea where it came from. Based on its shape and size, I would guess some kind of filing cabinet type of application or some godforsaken place like that. But, you know, it's definitely not made by Medico. When I just picked this out of my hand, it was much faster to do, but at any rate, it is fairly meager tolerances, and I can't decide whether it's 4 or 5 pins. I haven't really bothered to count, but okay, this is getting embarrassing now. I'm using the wrong pick as part of the problem. It's not the right tool for the job, that one. Actually, the right tool for a lock like this is a rake, but it's using way too much tension. There it goes, and it's stuck on the vise. But is that stuck or is that not stuck? Okay, now I'm not convinced. I would think it would turn further than that. Oh, there it goes. It was just jammed or something. Anyway, there it is, picked. Since it is kind of a small and sketchy lock, I wonder if something like a, well, you have to get it in the vise first, but I wonder if something on the order of a bitch pick would work, because Jesus fucking God, son of a... Alright. I just don't want to squash the cylinder, but I wonder if like a bitch pick would work. There it is. I'd call that a bitch pick. What do you think? Bitch pick? Let's see. What's another technique that we've learned recently? Let's flip tension around if we can. I'm thinking a rock. The rock I haven't used in a while. But that's going to get in my way. I haven't used a rocking attack in a while. Let's see if we can get it to work. Yeah. So just kind of rock the pick back and forth. And yep, there we go. I wasn't even really using the end of the pick for that. So, I would say that if this is on the top of your filing cabinet, you might want to consider something else if you have anything in there that you're trying to keep nefarious people away from. But it is a pin tumbler lock, and I would say it is strictly better than almost every wafer lock I've ever encountered of this sort. I think it's 1, 2, 3. Might be 4 pins, but anyhow. There you go. Little mystery lock. SPP'd, bitch picked, and rocked. I could rake it too, but what the fuck, you know. Alright, this is Alex. Thanks for watching. As always, have fun and keep it legal. Cheers.